Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Pad 3D and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system option. Before we will enter, make sure that you've got the internet connection, it is required, and after that enter the system. Here at the top we've got the system update option, so let's tap on it, and as you can see your device is checking for the updates thanks to the internet connection, and basically you've got two different scenarios, and this is the one, maybe kind of, this is the first one where there is the update to download. Your device will of course show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and you will be able to simply tap on update and download it. Of course, there is also a second scenario where there's nothing to update. So whenever you're up to date and there's nothing to download, your device will of course show you the information about it, that everything looks good and you do not have to download anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.